Hello guys, I'm Asim Farooq and this is Gadget Area. In this video, we will be showcasing the top 5 gadgets for smart gardens. But before starting the video, please subscribe our channel if you didn't subscribe it yet. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications of latest videos.
Greenworks is the ultimate battery-powered outdoor equipment. The powerful GMAX 40-volt battery provides true gas performance and is able to power multiple tools for a complete yard system. The GMAX 40-volt 8-inch cordless pole saw is ideal for small to medium-sized plants and trees. The 8-inch bar and chain makes trimming branches easy and effective. Easily adjust the chain tensioning system to either tighten or loosen the chain. The automatic oiler applies oil to the bar and chain when needed to ensure durability and optimal use, while the translucent oil tank allows you to keep an eye on the oil level. The 3-piece aluminum shaft can be extended to 8 feet for greater reach and use. The high-performance GMAX lithium-ion battery delivers fade-free power with no memory loss and is interchangeable with all Greenworks GMAX 40-volt tools, the industry's largest 40-volt system. No cords, no gas, no maintenance. Greenworks. Life gets easier.
Growing indoors, absolutely soil-free, it's a gardener's dream come true. Now you can with Miracle Grow Aero Garden, a fully automated growing system guaranteed to grow anywhere. Automated grow lights and its adjustable arm provide the perfect growing environment that grow plants 5 times faster. Our pre-seeded grow pods and specially balanced liquid nutrients make indoor gardening effective and simple, with a harvest ready in as little as 4 weeks. No guesswork, just guaranteed growing all year long. Imagine an herb garden within arm's reach. Fresh tomatoes in December, fragrant flowers blooming year-round. It's like having a farmer's market in your own kitchen. It's time to bring growing inside with the Miracle-Gro Aero Garden. Now, it's always gardening season.
You probably don't wake up every morning thinking, how should I adjust my sprinkler system today? The trouble is, if you want a healthy, green, good-looking lawn, you probably should. Hot and dry weather can leave your lawn underwatered, patchy, dry, and brown. And there's nothing more wasteful than your sprinklers coming on while it's raining. And it costs you money. Your old sprinkler timer just isn't very good at dealing with changes of season or weather. And let's be honest, you probably aren't either. But now, you don't have to be with Skydrop. Skydrop is a revolutionary, tech-driven sprinkler control system. It's smart, like smartphone smart. It wirelessly connects to the vast data of the cloud and creates a dynamic, smart watering plan customized exactly to your lawn. Once installed, Skydrop helps you determine how much water your lawn needs, and then adjust your watering schedule based on hyper-local weather data from the nearest weather station, usually right in your neighborhood. Skydrop actually calculates how much moisture your lawn is losing each day and sets watering times accordingly, making sure your grass always has the optimum amount of water it needs to stay green and healthy. And Skydrop can even manage smart watering for your garden, drip system, or xeriscaped yard. Skydrop is easy to understand and use with its modern, intuitive jog dial and simple interactive view screen. Plus, Skydrop is easy to install. It connects to your existing sprinkler system wiring. Most sprinkler systems can be converted to Skydrop in 10 minutes or less. And you can also fully manage it from your mobile device or computer. Skydrop conserves water, which helps our planet, and saves you money. Up to 50% of landscape water usage is wasted by overwatering. That's more than 2.5 billion gallons a year. You pay for that waste out of your own pocket. Skydrop can save you up to 75,000 gallons of water annually. That's water you don't have to pay for. Skydrop is easy to use, and most importantly, it keeps your lawn healthy, green, and good looking. What are you waiting for? Get Skydrop today.